Let's say you have two tables, different shapes, different sizes, and you want them to act like one big team. Step 1, place them right next to each other. No space, no enter, just table against table. And now click at the beginning of the second table and hit delete. Boom. They fuse into one like magic. Even if the columns don't match perfectly, Word adjusts everything row by row. No copying, no pasting, just clean. Turn on your ruler from the View tab. Then click near the right edge of the ruler to drop a right tab stop. Type your left side text, press tab, and bam! Your next text jumps to the right. Clean, professional, and no need for extra tables or spaces. Merging tables and mastering alignment. Small tricks, huge impact. Like this video if your word game just leveled up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like these. See you next time.